This is not normal weather in Malta. Powerful winds and violent storms are hitting the island right now. Look at this. Trees collapsing, massive waves crashing onto the roads, and the wind is absolutely out of control. Authorities are warning people to stay indoors and away from the coast. Emergency teams are working non-stop as the storm causes damage across multiple areas. This is real footage, no filters, no edits. If you're in Malta, stay safe and stay alert. And if you're watching this from somewhere else, follow for real updates. Share this to warn others.